In this video, we're going to look at solving equations with fractions that require distributing. It's very important as we do this that we always distribute first and clear fractions second. This order is important to make sure that we end up with the correct final solution. So, for example, if I had a problem like this, before I clear the fractions with the LCD, I'm first going to distribute the 3/4 through the parentheses. That will give me 1/2 equals 3/4 times 2 is 6/4, which reduces to 3/2, x minus 3/4 times 4/9 is 12/36, which reduces to 1/3. Now I'm ready to find the least common denominator and clear the fractions. The least common denominator of 2 and 3 is 6. So we will multiply each term by 6 on both sides. As we do that, the 6/2 reduces to 3. Again, on the second fraction, 6/2 reduces to 3. On the third fraction, 6/3 reduces to 2, and we can multiply to find our resulting equation. We end up with 3 equals 3 times 3x, or 9x, minus 2 times 1, which is 2. Finally, we have a two-step equation we can quickly solve. Add 2 to both sides, balancing through the equals, gives us 5 equals 9x. To get x alone, we simply have to divide by 9, and x equals 5/9. Again, it is important we distribute first and clear fractions second. Let's try one more example where we do just that. Here, again, we will distribute the 2/3 through the parentheses. That will give us 2/3 x plus 2/3 times 4 is 8/3 equals, distributing the 5 through the parentheses, we will have 5 times 5/6, or 25/6, times x, minus 5 times 7/15. That's 35/15, and reducing by 5 gives us 7/3. Now we're ready to clear the fractions by multiplying by the least common denominator. The least common denominator of 3 and 6 is simply 6. So we will multiply each term by 6 on both sides. Reducing, 6/3 is 2. 6/3 is 2. 6/6 is 1, and 6/3 is 2. Multiplying gives us our remaining equation, 4x plus 16 equals 25x minus 2 times 7, which is 14. Now, we are ready to solve this equation by balancing, getting the variables on one side. We can do that by moving the smaller one, subtracting 4x. Now, we have 16 equals 21x minus 14. It's a two-step equation. We can get the x alone by adding 14 to both sides. 16 plus 14 is 30 equals 21x. Simply divide by 21, and we end up with x equals 30/21. Dividing by 3 reduces to 10/7. Again, distribute first, clear fractions second.